your girl Selin. If you're new to my channel, you're most often welcome. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button as well, hit the notification bell. So with that, you'll be notified when I have a brand new video on my channel. With that being said, anyway guys, today as you can tell by the title, it has been a minute guys. I got some item from Shein and it has been 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I'm not mistaken. I'm super duper lazy to do try on online. So today I decided just to bring it out before it's too late. That is my vibe. Sometimes when something gets too long, I just get tired of it. So I just had to put this. I got some cute outfit from them and I'm super excited to show you guys. Yeah, if you're interested, why am I doing my hair like this? Like am I going to fight? Am I going to fight? This is the vibe I am right now. So guys, if you're interested, you want to see all the items that I got from Shein, you know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. I'm going to see you in the end of this video. So guys, these are the items. I got 10 or 9 items from Shein. I don't know. By time goes, we might know if it is 10, the rest are there. If it is 10 or if it is 9. So guys, this is the first item that I got from Shein. It's a 2-piece set. Super obsessed. Kind of polka dots-ish vibe going on. It's a silky material. Okay, it's this kind of strong silky material. And I love the fact that it has this kind of hand, you know. The hand is not too, it's not too tiny. This is the kind of vibe I like. Sometimes I don't just like opening my hand exposed when I'm going out. Basically, when I'm indoors, I don't really have a problem. And yeah, as you can see, it's a skirt and it has a strap. It has this beautiful strap, super long, cross round to the back and to the front, and which I'm loving. Bear in mind guys, in case you're curious of the size that I got, you know my size 36. In Europe is size extra small. And yeah, I'm really loving this 2-piece set right here. It's making me feel like a girly, and it has this kind of ruchy going on. It has a zipper at the back. This is how the back looks like. And also draw the skirts up because I don't really like exposing my belly button that much. I like to show a little bit skin, a little bit belly, but not to expose. These 2-piece set and feel super comfortable on my skin. I'm loving it, and I also love the fact that the skirt is not too short. It's very okay to go out with, to go for a walk, summer period, for a cocktail or at daytime. Is very beautiful, and it has this kind of v-neck. As you can see, it's giving me a little bit of cleavage. As you can see, I'm loving it. What do you guys think? Colorblind, yeah. This is the second outfit. Okay, second outfit. I'm loving this skirt, this denim skirt. Super soft, extra small as well, and the top is also, I think, size small. The top is size small, and I love this top. But the only thing I don't like about this top, the material is not hugging me, it's not, and which is also okay, but I just hate the way it feels on my skin. I'm not really impressed about this. Details going on the hand area. I really love it. At the beginning I was thinking this top right here, it's a pearl bead attached to it, but when I received it, it was just a thread. They just tried to manipulate it and just create kind of a button effect attached to this top right here. Super crop, and I also love the neck as well. It's not too large, it's not too open. At least you can still cover a lot, and you can still cover your cleavage. And yeah, if you have a bigger boobs than me, like, you have to go a size up, or you just leave this top, because this top is not going to hug you. Like, this is, you see what I mean? It's stretchy, but the stretchy is kind of I don't know how to describe the stretching, But other than that, I'm loving this top a lot. I really love it. You can also pair it with a jeans trouser, with any other skirt or any other bottom you want to pair it with. So I just decided to pair it together with this denim skirt because I only have one skirt and one jeans. So yeah, and I'm loving it. I'm loving the two outfit right here. So you know what I mean, the situation. I'm loving it. And the skirt, booming. Where is the skirt has it has a strap, sorry. So the skirt has this strap going on, and I don't think I'm going to be needing it. Maybe for the gram, to make a photo for the gram, I'm going to attach it to it so that it can look put together. But other than that, you can put it around. But let me just tie it to sake of the video. You can really see the beauty. As you can see, super beautiful, stretchy, super stretchy. As you can see, it's so stretchy. You can see do your squats. Loving the skirt. The only critic I have about this skirt, only critic, you know me, I'm always honest when it comes to items, okay? I will not come here and tell you boo, bag it, tap, okay? I really need to put out the tea, my honest opinion. The only critique I don't like about this skirt, the zip, like, it's extraordinary, okay? Way beyond my imagination. I don't like the zip at all. I don't like it. Super cheap, super cheap, super light. It's not having any weight attached to it. So when you are more bigger than me, when you're closing the skirt, you need to be careful to calm down and don't eat before, okay? So you know, we tiny girls, we can always snug it, anything small, okay? I'm just letting you know. The zip, for me, it's no go. You just have to be careful with the zip. Maybe you can replace the zip if you want, but other than that, the skirt is super cute, and it has two pockets at the back and it has two pockets at the front. It's not giving me extra booty, which I don't care because the booty is already there, so I don't need extra material to give you the booty, you know what I mean? I love it, and I love it. And it's also super high-waisted, as you can see, super high-waisted. Look like I'm really loving it, so I just had to bend down because that is how I set my camera. So yeah, and I'm loving it, loving it. Super soft and has a lot of stretch. The material is very comfortable on my skin. So let me turn it around so you can see. And it has and it also has this long strap going on, so I just had to do crisscross and tie it at the front. You can always go ahead and tie it at the back to create another vibe for the top. You can manipulate it how you want to be, baby girl. This is how I like it. And yeah, so this is the back. This is the back. Beautiful.
Yeah.
So guys, with this top right here, you guys have seen me. I've worn it on my Instagram, not Instagram. I've used it to film a tutorial, I think 2 weeks ago. I'm loving it. I just like the neck, the details is beautiful, super cute vibe. A little bit different from what I normally wear, but I just like it. The collar is short and yeah, it's showing a little bit of decollete and not too much, you know what I mean? And it's super crop, long, super stretchy, extra small, beautiful top, beautiful, yeah. So with this top, super perfect for this kind of high-waisted skirt. So that is why I even like this skirt, because you can pair with different kind of crop top. And here guys, excuse the attitude, I've not filmed a trial for quite some minutes, so I'm trying to bring, excuse me, I'm trying to bring myself back in again. So yeah, I'm loving it, hugging me, comfortable, like comfortable, so I don't need to bother about my neck, makeup stain, no go. So guys, this is the next top. Of lately, I'm super upset with a top that has this kind of super tiny, which is a tan top, super tiny. I'm loving because, you know, I have a wide shoulder, so yeah, I love it. I don't want my, you know, so yeah, this is the back, this is how it looks like. And with this top, it has different kind of color, so you can always go for any color. It has a burgundy, it has a blue, it has a peach. It has peach, I believe, and it also has a beige, this one I'm wearing, and it also has white. So yeah, I'm really loving the way it looks like, and it's super crop, super short. Wow, I'm going to wear this not with the skirt, I'm going to wear this with the high-waisted jeans, and I'm going to show you right now. And yeah, beautiful. So guys, this is the jeans, okay? I'm loving this jeans. The reason why, check the back area, just check the back area. It's just doing the job on the back area, as you can see, and it's exactly on my ankle. It's not too long, it's not too short, perfect length for my legs. You know, I have a long legs, so it's perfect. At the front, it has this kind of button, and down here it has a zip. Well, beautiful and super stretchy. It has a lot of room, but this is my size extra small. And yeah, I'm loving it, guys. Wearing this top, you can easily tie it right on the front, or you can do it at the back, but I believe I'm going to tie it at the front, because at the front it has a little bit of details, it has a little bit of style. The front is the definition, so I want to go straight. So yeah, very beautiful top. Exactly, I'm going to wear it with these jeans, no argument, period. Okay, so yeah, I love it. And getting into this top, guys, it was a little bit struggle. You can see the way I'm breathing. So yeah, I love this top, these two outfit right here. Exactly, I'm going to style it. I love it. And this is a size small. So yeah, and it has this kind of one hand situation going on. There's a zip at the side. And yeah, it's a little bit flat, as you can see. It's giving you that extra booty. Material is stretchy. It's beautiful. This is exactly how I'm going to rock it with my long body wave Brazilian virgin 200% density, period. Okay. Last but not least item, like, just take a moment, check the strap. The strap, you can easily make a rope to sew your clothes. Perfect with these denim jeans, right? Very beautiful, guys. So guys, that's pretty much it for this Shein try haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite try haul. It has been a minute, like I said, excuse the attitude. I'm going to get better when I'm in again. So yeah, without any further ado, as I always say, don't forget to do what makes you happy. Stay pretty and stay blessed. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Take care, love is ciao. Mwah.